Hi guys, and welcome to this course. In this course we are going to be talking about the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, shortly known as MT5. So you're gonna hear more of MT5 rather than MetaTrader 5. So this course has come up because I've seen a lot of people struggling on navigating on the use of the trading platform, of which it's very important that you understand the platform for your career that you have chosen. You need to know it in and out. So that's why I've decided to do this course, so that I can elaborate further and explain further to those who really don't understand how to navigate and use the MT5 platform. Yes, some are going to ask, why didn't I do MT4 platform? But this is more of a personal preference, because both platforms, they're almost similar, but they've got their own differences, especially when it comes to indicators, when it comes to execution time, you see. So they've got their own differences, which I'm going to leave that to you to find out, so that you can choose which platform is much better for you. But when it comes to navigation and operation and the use of the platform, they are more or less the same. So in this section of the course, I'm going to show you how to download and install your MT5 and OpenAir demo account. So first things first, we need to download the platform. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome, right? Once my page is open, then I'm gonna need to go to google.com, right? Once that is done, we need to search for MetaTrader 5, right? Once the search result comes out, you need to, we are going to be using the default MT5 from MetaTrader5.com. Yes, there's a lot of brokers out there. There's a lot of brokers out there, and they offer their in-house MT5, which is just branded with their name on it. So that's like the main difference, but the use and everything, it's all the same. So now we're gonna go to MetaTrader5.com. So now we need to download for Windows. If you have got a MacBook, when you open this page, it's gonna tell you to download for MacBook. So here we're gonna download for Windows. You see, download MetaTrader for Windows 5, which is free. Then we got one for Mac OS. Then you've got one for Linux. And then you've got one for iPhone and iPad, and then also Android. Right now we are on a Windows computer, so we are going to download the Windows version. Right, you can see here at your bottom left, my file has finished downloading, and I'm gonna click it so that we can proceed with the installation. Right, do you want to run this file? Yes, those are my security settings, guys, and mostly it will also ask you the same. Once that is done, you click on next, then it installs the program, right? The MetaTrader 5 client terminal installs. Once it's done, then you need to click on finish, right? That's it. You've got your platform installed, and you're gonna have a shortcut on the desktop. You're gonna have a shortcut on the desktop for your MT5, and by default it's gonna open your MT5 platform like the one you are seeing right now on your screen. This is by default what it opens, right? And when it opens, it's gonna update the charts that are open, and it's gonna show you an interface, which is what we are going to be talking about in the next section of the course. So this is your, basically this is your MT5, easy to install. There's no fuss or anything. and then this is the interface which I'm going to be talking about for the duration of this course, so that you understand it perfectly, how to navigate it, how to use all the icons in the menu, and some of the shortcuts that will enhance your trading experience. So I'll see you again in the next section. Thank you.